Northern Ghana, a beautiful land with hard-working entrepreneurial people who are internationally known for their hospitality and friendliness. But people in our community face so many challenges. Literacy levels are only 30%. In the villages we serve, only 1% of adults over 25 have a senior high school education. Most people have extremely limited access to medical care of any kind. Unemployment is high, and between 70 to 80% of youth do not have jobs. The northern region lacks potable water and good sanitation, and so this can lead to a lot of sicknesses and diseases. All these things combine to create a crushing and repeating cycle of poverty. But there is hope. Over the last 21 years, the King's Village has been offering education, healthcare, entrepreneurial skills and sustainable development. We treat over 18,000 patients every year. We have a special heart for malnourished children, and we've been able to treat 15,000 of them since we started. So you may be wondering, how does all this work? To help unpack it, let's use the acronym HEALS. Each letter expresses part of our vision. H is for healthcare. Many people have the false belief that in more remote communities, you cannot offer a full range of preventative and emergency care. But since 2006, we've learned that the best way to provide excellent healthcare is both reactive and proactive. So we have things you might expect, like an emergency room, surgery, and a maternity ward. Newborns are 10 times more likely to die in Ghana than in the West, but we are radically changing these outcomes in our region by saving mothers' and babies' lives. But we also have a fully functioning pharmacy, outpatient service, laboratory, public health, education, nutrition, and even mental health services. E is for economic sustainability. We not only employ 300 adults, but we've become a hub for all kinds of economic activity, including business development, tree planting initiatives, and a youth employment program. In fact, the government has taken notice of all this activity and is beginning to invest in infrastructures like roads, power lines, and mobile phone networks in what was previously a remote area. The A is for academic development. We have always believed that one of the keys to poverty alleviation is a solid education. And that is why we've launched 2 schools who together serve 570 children from 20 communities from age 1 to 15 years of age. Our greatest joy is when children who went through our school return after completing university. The L is for leadership development. We offer in-service training for all our staff on things like teamwork, how to delegate, and emotional intelligence. But one thing that makes us unique is that we offer the only teen-led music school in Northern Ghana. Our youth are given an internship to teach piano, drums, bass, and voice to children attending our school. And this internship is really a platform for pouring leadership skills into these young people. They take incredible pride in their students. And this, of course, helps them to develop the God-given leadership talents that they all possess. S is for spiritual development. We have a very open approach and we accept people of all faith backgrounds. There's an incredible spiritual hunger in our area, and we have not only launched a church here at the King's Village, but we launched a pastors training support system where aspiring local pastors can get the training that they need. They have launched 12 churches in this area, and we continue to be amazed at the joy that God brings people through the development of their faith and their communities of faith. The result of all this is holistic community transformation. From prenatal to youth to adulthood, entire districts of Kumbungu and Tolon are being transformed. Our youth are being educated, learning how to be leaders and going to university. 500 children every year are saved from malnutrition. 18,000 people receive medical care every year. And God's love is effectively changing lives and bringing something everyone needs for flourishing: hope. If you would like to know more, please visit our website at www.tkvg.org.uk.